I like looking at all these cars that are. Whoa, babe! Careful, careful. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh, fuck.
Kissed it. Hey guys, Ricardo checking in once again. So we're currently in Big Bear, California. We're on our way to Holcomb Valley Campground. Today it's Saturday. It's right before a pretty big winter storm. Currently, as you can see, it's raining, but later in the day I'm pretty sure there's going to be some snow, some sleet. We're going to be sleeping in a tent today. We're not going to be using our roof nest. We'll see how we do. We aired down the truck to about 18 psi. Hopefully that's enough. The roads already look pretty wet and snowy. Set up these snow chains. Everyone keeps saying how treacherous this route is, but if you take a look, a Honda Civic made it. How you doing, buddy? Let me see. How you doing, babe? My brother's here. Alright, this is my brother's setup. He's got the whole camo tactical Tommy thing going on. Alright, for today's setup we're using our Members Mark 6-person tent, but I'm going to try something different today. We're going to be throwing this pop-up tent on the inside, so it'll be a tent within a tent. And on top of it, we have our moonshade awning. Hopefully it holds up tonight. Alright everyone, as you can see, we have our 6-person tent. On the inside we have our Frontrunner pop tent. Pretty spacious. So we're in our tent, within a tent. So hopefully this should be warm enough. As you can see, it's snowing pretty heavy. It's kind of teeter-tottering between freezing and rain. I think hopefully 2 more degrees, the snow should start coming down pretty well. It's kind of slushy, kind of mucky right now. Getting a little colder. It's around 2 p.m. We got here pretty early today because I think the heaviest part of the snow should be coming around 4 p.m. We didn't use the Roofnest today. I'm kind of lazy, so I really hate drying out the Roofnest after it gets wet. So I prefer to just use the Members Mark 6-person tent whenever we're in the snow or the rain. Hi, babe. So our neighbors just gave us some fish and pita bread. How nice of them. So our neighbors actually, we had some neighbors a minute ago. Pretty nice, they actually supplied us some dinner. We got some, what do you think, tandoori chicken? Sure. And then, I'm not sure, but it looks like fresh caught fish. Not bad. One thing I really like about this moonshade is it reflects light down from the light source, so pretty good light coverage. It's going to be real interesting getting out of here tomorrow morning. We're expecting maybe 4 to 8 inches of looks amazing. Look at you, you're like Gollum, eating in the corner.
Tent within a tent was a success. My nose is kind of stuffy, but it was pretty comfortable in here. Check it out. We're like under 2 feet of snow on the outside. Oh, buddy. Good boy. So the low last night was about 25. It's 32 degrees inside our tent. Inside the outer tent, but it's not. It's probably warmer in our tent within a tent.
What you looking at, boy? You want to see what outside looks like? There's my brother making breakfast. All right, this is right outside our tent. Our moonshade is covered. I actually propped up the moonshade with our tripod so that the weight doesn't collapse. And here's the ceiling. All right, guys, so that's the moonshade and the truck this morning. Super pretty out here today. Looked like the moonshade didn't collapse. I was kind of concerned about it, but it held up all this snow.
Huh?
Was that warm enough?
My tent?
Yeah. This was my brother's setup. He said he did pretty good. We got two little dogs in there keeping him warm. I'm gonna watch videotape Eric do this.
So, all four together, right? That's what I remember. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And then that's all I know.
No, the last one to go has. Alright guys, so if you think that your vehicle can't make it up here, you got it? Good stuff. Good luck, guys. Hopefully they can make it through the big puddles. They're probably gonna have to pull each other the whole way. Anyways, if you think your vehicle can't make it up here, January, Holcomb Valley, Big Bear area, a Honda Civic just made it with two-wheel drive. We don't have any more neighbors so far. Everyone near us left.
Tortilla rice. Good rice.
This guy right here.
Oh,
I have more.
undo.
It's for the small dogs.
Let the dogs eat. Come here. Let the dogs eat. The small dogs.
Currently it is 30 degrees outside, low of 25 earlier today. Overall, the moonshade awning did pretty good this trip. Earlier this morning, there was a ton of ice on top of it and held up okay. I wouldn't recommend leaving it up overnight, though, if you're in a snowstorm. All right, everybody. So that was our Holcomb Valley camping trip. We'll be trying to get home. Ease into this and then.
Whoa. Oh shit, my fucking shovel is in the window.
Shit.
Oh, careful. Oi, oi, oi.
You got change. Hey, it's more focused. Back to the main road from Big Bear. It was about six miles from the campsite. The side of the road, just airing up. We took off our chains. The chains definitely helped. The capabilities of the Ranger, we were actually not spinning out as much. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good time, and we'll see you next time. Fun and adventure. Peace out.
These cars that are. Whoa, babe, careful, careful.
Yeah.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh, kissed it.